Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and we're going to do Melina's challenge today. She did some little mason jar tags or journaling cards, whatever. Now she used this little template that was made by Calico Collage, I do believe. I will link Melina's video below, and then she has the link for these below her video. I think it's a free download. I'm not 100% sure, but that's the ones that she did hers. Well, it inspired me. So over the weekend, I made a few. Now, I made mine a little bit smaller, but I think tomorrow I'm going to make another set that are larger. But made these. And it's a whole sheet of them. I'll just show you the sheet. You get a sheet of these. And then a sheet of these that are plain, and you can make your own design in them. So now on these, I don't think they'll need anything but maybe a little bitty label. And then they'll be ready to slide in a little pocket in the journal. These we're going to decorate up a little bit. And like I said, tomorrow I think I'm going to make these. I'm going to make a set that's a little bit bigger, because I'd like to have some that are a little bit larger. So I think we'll put some book page on here. Now I'm going to have to watch my camera because it's pretty hot in here today. And my camera keeps overheating. I have turned a little bit of air on and put a fan on it. Hopefully that's not disturbing you guys. Oh, also we have, I know I've had lots and lots of people who have asked me what the little tray is that I keep my ink and my little dauber in. What I had it in was just a little plastic piece of mail that I had gotten a long, long time ago. And so Benji took that piece and he made some of these. Now, they're not in the shop yet. They will be in the shop soon. They're not in there right this minute. But he made us some of these. So it holds one ink pad. And then it holds two daubers. So, and I put a little piece of plastic down in the bottom of mine because I didn't want the ink getting all over my wood. I didn't want to waste my ink. So the plastic will make sure that the ink stays in the dauber and doesn't soak up into the wood. So that's what I did with mine. All right, we got that on there. I'm just going to do all three of them, I think, at once. But we should have those in the store hopefully by the end of the week. I know every time I slid my little ink tray up to where anybody could see it in the video, I don't know how many people asked me, where did you get that? What is that? Because, you know, I don't like to put my dauber on top of my ink pad because it gets it so dirty. So I just had a little piece of plastic and I made one a long, long time ago, probably 2 or 3 years ago, or maybe longer than that. And so I would try to explain it to him, and the other day he was over here asking me, was there any other tools that I'd like for him to work on? And I said, well, I have one in particular, and I told him about that. He said, oh, I think we can do that. So within a couple of hours he had it done. He's pretty good at that kind of stuff. So we'll have those loaded up if you guys want one. They won't be a lot because they're just a little bit of they're wood and they just snap together. And now mine's a prototype. The ones that will sell are a little bit deeper than this one. You know, I always tell you I get the prototype because I have to try them out to see if there's anything that we want to do a little different. And I wanted to make this level on the bottom so that this would be a little bit deeper, the tray. So that's what we're doing on those. Okay, now I want to put a little focal point on there. Now you could cut that inside completely out if you want to. You could ink it up, do lots of different things to it. I'm just going to leave it as is because I'm going to cover most of it with a flower. Most. Might do that one, I don't know. Oh, I think that one will be good. Let's try a different color other than the pink. I want something a little bit deeper color. Now these are the smaller flowers, and they work well on these little jars. Oh, I might like that one. Oops, I can't touch it. Can't touch it. I can't touch it. I can't hold it. Oh me. It's been a weekend. You know, I didn't do anything over the weekend. I know you guys didn't see any videos from me or anything going on. I took my weekend off again. I've got to start trying to make myself do that. I think it's good for me. I get to spend some time with me, myself, and I, and doing a few little things that I want to do other than, you know, which I want to craft, don't get me wrong. I want to do videos. But sometimes I like to work on my journals and not have the camera on, if you know what I mean. So I did a little bit of that. I did a little bit of binge watching. Just what I wanted to do. I ate junk. Not a lot. I didn't eat a lot of junk. My kids came over. Well, Alicia and Benji and their kids came over Friday night and brought me supper. So I had some good barbecue for the first time in a long time. Because I just don't go out to eat. I eat at home because it's just me, and I don't want to go out by myself. You know, everybody else that I know has husbands with them. So if I went with them, I'd be like a third wheel. But, so I eat at home all the time. So when somebody brings me a meal that's cooked by somebody else, oh, I like that. Right, now I just trimmed a little bit of that white out that was around that. I didn't try to get every bit of it, because I can go in with my little dauber and daub it. Oh yeah, I like that. I have to cut the little stem off, but I like that. Yeah, I started working on these last night just to have something to do. Making digitals is my way of passing my time at night, because that was mine and Whit's favorite time of evening. It's when we would get to sit down and eat together and sit and talk or watch a TV show or, you know, whatever we did. But that was our favorite time of evening. So now I have to pass my time doing other things so that I don't think so much. I think I'm just going to put that down as is. I'm not going to trim it. So I told Betty, I said, I want to learn how to do digitals. Not because I want to sell them a ton. I mean, yeah, I'll sell some of them to you guys, but I'll give a lot of them away. But it passes the day. It passes the evening. So I'm not just sitting watching television or doing nothing, or, you know, I've got something to occupy myself. So she has been teaching me, and she's a very good teacher. Very good teacher. Okay, I am going to put a little word or something on each one of these, and I'm just going to trim these words down real little, because it's going to have to be some small words, not anything real big. And thank you guys for all the orders that you did over the weekend. I really, really appreciate those. We do have a few AJ kits left. I think maybe 4, if I'm not mistaken. But most of the AJ kits sold. Like I said, maybe 4 left. So if you want one, grab them, because I'm going to start the journal that I'm going to be making with that this week, and I think you're really going to like it. Okay, I need one more. One more label. Let's just cut this one right here. It says Majestic. Got my little giblets all over here. Now you could do much, much more decorating on these than I'm doing. I just wanted these to be kind of simple because those are already decorated up a lot. That has got, these have got spring flowers on them. So look at that. There's that one. I love these. Melina, you come up with such great ideas. There's that one. And that one. And then, like I said, I will use these in there. And I think I might just put a little label on these somewhere. Let's see if we have a Tim Holtz word in here that we could put. It'll be black. And that will work. Let's put gratitude on this one, maybe. Oh yeah, I like that. It may be too bold for you, but I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. I think the craft color ones would be a little bit too light. And then the white ones would definitely be too light. So we will go with these. Let's go with brave. I like that word. You have to be brave in today's society. And then on this one, I think we'll do positive. You got to be positive. Yeah, I don't mind that. And then on this one, let's try one of the little craft colored ones just to see. Like I said, I really think it's going to be too much like the background. But I don't know, this one might not be. Let's do Discover. Put that up there. It's okay, but I think I like the black ones better. Alright, so that is those little guys. And like I said, they come in a set. There is 8 of these, and then there's 8 that are blank. And that's the set that you can purchase over on the store. They're already up. I'll put that link below. I'm going to come back tomorrow and make some larger ones of these. And then I will use these too. Alright, we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.